All right, guys, this is the last video for our module over dependent samples t-tests. So as a real quick review, in the last video, I showed you how to do the first 5 steps of our dependent samples test. So it started with the null hypothesis. We did our t-test in either WebExcel, AppExcel, Google Sheets. All 3 methods would get you the same result. At the end, we decided to accept our null. So now we are on to writing the results in APA format. So in our class site, I have provided this page that specifically provides templates for how to do this. So you guys can use this. So here's my screenshot of my results if you like to read it. Remember, our statistical shorthand is our standardized way of providing results for analysis that we do. So here's my standardized test, right? I did a t-test, T for 2. I have to have the degrees of freedom, 24, and then the obtained value, which is here, and then what we decided to do. So I'm going to write that on my sheet here. Statistical shorthand is the first part. I did a t-test. There are 24 degrees of freedom. Remember, I highlighted that up here. My t-stat, here's my t-stat. And then my p-value, I don't need the actual p-value. I just need to know if it's greater than or less than 0.05. Then my paragraph, I'm going to come over here. Now, my p was not less than 0.05, so I'm not going to use this template. My p was greater than 0.05. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to copy and paste it onto my sheet. Google Sheets in the web and WebExcel will automatically make it fit into a box. If you use AppExcel, it will not, but that's okay. So first sentence, tell me what you did. I compared the mean before recycling to the mean after recycling. The mean before was 34.4. I can see that here. The mean after was 34.8. I can see that here. No significant difference was found. And then I've repeated my statistical shorthand. So once I have that step 6 done, I have completed my dependent samples t-test.